Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. Do you wake up every day wondering what to prepare for breakfast? I guess you're not the only one. We all have this same question in our mind. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we will share with you a detailed step-by-step recipe for one of my favorite dishes to have for breakfast. It's a popular dish at the Irani restaurants in Mumbai, and it is served with pav or bread. It's easy to make at home and tastes absolutely delicious. This tasty Mumbai-style keema is made with select spices, green chillies, fresh dill, coriander, and some basic ingredients easily available in your kitchen. Our recipe for today is delicious Mumbai-style Kheema Pav. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. Take 1 kg of beef mince. Marinate the mince with 1 teaspoon of salt. Make sure the meat is washed before it is minced, and please do not wash it after mincing. This way, the mince will retain all the flavors and taste good once prepared. Half cup of green peas. Take 6 medium-sized onions. Cut them fine. 4 green chillies. Cut the green chillies into 2 and then slit them. 4 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Juice of 1 lime. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. 1 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. 1.5 teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder. 4 teaspoons of coriander or dhania powder. 2 teaspoons of meat masala powder. If meat masala powder is not available, then you can use regular garam masala powder. 1 teaspoon of chaat masala powder. We have taken the following whole spices: 1 black cardamom, 6 green cardamoms, 20 black peppercorns, 1.5 inch size stick of cinnamon, 6 cloves, 3 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 cups of coriander or cilantro leaves. Cut it fine. Take 1 cup of dill or shepu leaves. Take a stem, pluck all the leaves like I have shown, and put it in a cup. Using dill or shepu leaves is completely optional, but we highly recommend using it. Discard the stem. Do this until your cup is filled with dill or shepu leaves. Wash the leaves thoroughly and cut it fine. Step 2. Preparing the keema. On medium heat, in a wide open, thick bottom pan, add 5 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the whole spices. Stir it properly. You need to stir the spices for around 2 minutes for the oil to absorb the flavors. After around 2 minutes, add the finely cut onions. Saute the onions until they turn slightly light brown. You can now join our WhatsApp channel and get instant updates from Get Cooking Now. The link for our WhatsApp channel is provided in the description box. Once the onions turn light brown, add the ginger garlic paste. Stir everything nicely. Saute for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add the mince. Saute the mince for around 4 to 5 minutes or until it changes color.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Ensure that there are no lumps in the mince. Break the lumps with a fork or spoon or spatula. After around 4 to 5 minutes, once the mince has changed color, add the green chilies. Stir everything nicely. Then cover and cook for around 5 minutes. Stir occasionally to prevent it from sticking to the pan. After around 5 minutes, open the pan and stir everything nicely. Now add the lime juice. Add cumin or jeera powder, turmeric or haldi powder, red chilli powder, meat masala powder or garam masala powder, coriander or dhania powder, chaat masala powder. Now cook for around 3 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add the finely cut dill or shepu leaves. Add the finely cut coriander or cilantro leaves. Mix everything properly. Cook for around 5 minutes. Add little water if required to prevent the ingredients from sticking to the pan.
Help us spread the love for Goan cuisine. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and please share them with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from our recipes. Do comment with your feedback and suggestions to help us make our videos even more better for you.
After 5 minutes, add 2 cups or 500 ml of water. Now cook for another 10 minutes. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. After 10 minutes, add the green peas and stir. Cover and cook again for 10 minutes. Stir occasionally and add little water if required to prevent it from sticking to the pan. After around 10 minutes, open the pan and stir. Check for salt, spice and add if required. We added around half teaspoon of meat masala powder. Now cook it without the cover until the water dries out. Once ready, add a small bunch of finely cut coriander or cilantro leaves for garnishing. Beef keema is ready. Garnish with coriander leaves, lime juice and enjoy the keema hot with bread, chapati or roti. Fried eggs with your keema takes your breakfast to the next level. Do try this out. Delicious Bombay style beef keema is ready.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.